Hello traders, FS Collector here. Today is Monday, July 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen monthly, I still think this is a big ABC correction, but looking at it closer, it does look like a 1-2, and this is a 3. That would mean that this is a 4, and that it's actually going to end up going back up for a wave 5 of C, maybe up to one of these two Fibonacci extension levels before it ends up continuing back down. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we have a very impulsive move down right here. Looks like an ABC correction already. I definitely see three waves down, and this move up right here looks to me like a trend, which means that this move down is probably a correction to this last wave up, and it probably will end up continuing the uptrend. I think eventually it's going to end up going up and making like a 1, 2, probably a 3, 4, and 5. Probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5, which possibly is a wave 5 of wave C. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we definitely have a very strong move to the upside. I do see that this did make a very impulsive move down. It did break structure. I think it's going to have to be a wave A. I still think this move up is probably sort of an A, B, C, or B, and I still think that it's going to go down at least one more time to make a C before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. I still think it could even be a 1-2 of wave 5. So taking it down even further to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a higher low for the wave 5. I do see three waves here. It kind of looks like a 1, 2, but really it's probably more like the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of A. It's probably going to have to make a correction for a wave B and maybe back up to either the 78 or the 61% for a wave C. We do have federal funds news coming out this week on Wednesday for the dollar. I think that the most likely thing is that this news event that we have on Wednesday is going to cause this to end in ABC correction and probably go back down for that wave C, and then we'll have an A, we'll have an A, B, C, or B, and then we'll go down for a wave C before it potentially ends up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down even more to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this move down to me is looking very corrective. It looks like an A possibly. Looks like three waves up for a B. And it looks like this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. I think it's going to go up at least one more time to make a 5 of A. Then it's probably going to start making its way down for like an A, B, C, or B. And then probably back up to either retest the 61.8 or go up to the 78.6 to make a wave C. I think this is going to be a wave A over here, A, B, C, or B, and then back up for the C. I think this is going to be ready on Wednesday to end this ABC correction and probably end up continuing back down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.